morning.
You're well?
Hi, kabisa.
So my name is Frecia Kionjore. Frecia Kionjore is a clinician. Frecia Kionjore is a psychologist. And I'm glad to be here this morning. Welcome to the show. We are glad that you're here with us. I run Shekinah Medical Center. I run St. Joel Community Hospital. Shekinah Medical Center is located at Kasarani, right opposite Equity Bank. We have St. Joel Community Hospital, located in Rimuru, Gesha Shopping Center, right opposite PCA Mother Church. And we are glad that you're here with us. So karibu sana to the show.
Awesome. That is Mwetu Shekinah. You know Shekinah. Not Mwetu Kasarani opposite Equity Bank.
Yeah.
And Gesha pale Rimuru. Gesha town, yeah.
Naitwa Rose Mbae Muriithi. I am a psychologist. I am specializing on marriage and family therapy. I am a consultant. And more to that, I do trainings. And we have a company called Paka. That is where we work. If you have any issue, we talk about, we train parenting, we train the teenagers, we have career counseling, we have all this stuff. Anything that is disturbing you, we come and talk and we get solutions in life. We believe there is nothing that is permanent. Just come and talk.
What do you consult on? Consultant?
Yeah, anything to do with the issues. When you have issues, we can do trainings. That is what we do. Yes, you have personal issues, you come and then we can do referrals in case you have no, most of the time, Moremi, I have realized mtu anakuja kwako, you're having issue, you are not very sure what is going on with your life. We come, we discuss, we work with the referrals. Daktari yako hapo, kuna walimu, kuna other people. Maybe after kuongea nita realize una need kuona psychiatrist, na kurefer kwa psychiatrist. Una need kuona daktari, unaenda kwa daktari. Una need kuona teacher. There are things even teachers themselves can sort you out. That is it. So when you come, we deal with you.
So bring up us up to date. For the last 2 weeks, we're talking about development, understanding hormonal stages. Yeah? Bring up from conception, yeah, to Mulita oral and stages.
Yes.
So not for teens.
Kwa teens leo. Yes, maybe to bring up to speed, tulisema mtoto anaanzaka wakati ya conceived. Yes, and that one hiyo siku ulilana hapo. And it is important to have every developmental stages ikitekiwa vizuri without ignoring anything. Tulisema mtoto akiwa kwa tumbo, it's very important, and it is a role of two parents. Most of the people wanafikiria ni kazi ya mzazi peke yake, ya mama peke yake, but we learned very well it is important to have both parents in place work together with this child kutoka akiwa for 9 months in the mother's womb. From there, the way anazaliwa, the first stage, tukaona importance ya baba na mama. And that is what we called the oral stage. Oral stage 0 to 1. From there, tukaona anal stage. Na hiyo stage ndio tulisema ni important sana, mtoto ndio ana get to know how to negotiate kwenda bowel movements, ndio na learn kwenda potty. And we realize it is also very important for the two parents to be there to ascertain, or rather to affirm this child. Kumwonyesha what you're doing is well, and they learned a lot of things, including how to release. Hapo ndio watoto wana learn not to be mean, because they can easily, they can hold, they can release very well. For ambo tukaona sasa what you are talking about same sex children, because 3 to 6 is very important. Watoto wanaenda to the opposite sex parents. Opposite sex parents inamaanisha girls to their father, boys to their mother. They learn affection, they learn many things, they learn how to make decisions. Na tukaona mtoto akidevelop your stage vizuri, it is very important to them, maana they know how now to learn how to relate even in future with, including their spouse, because these are inakuanga very intentional love, and they're very emotional. From there, 6 to now puberty, to learn, it's important for every child to have a very close relationship with the same sex parents. Why? They learn social skills, they learn to to how now they are modeled. If it's a woman, modeled by a mother, how to be a mother, how to take care of the family. If it's a man, the same. Na tukasema by this imaanishi because you're a woman, kazi yako ni kupika peke yake. Unafunza mtoto kupika. Even a man, you teach your son how to be responsible by doing what? Attention. Tulisema hata you can even do something that the society knows is about a mother. You can go take your son to the kitchen. Just cook tea. Unapelekea mama yako with your wife. Are you teaching this young man take care, loving and taking care of your own wife in future? So that is, they learn a lot. That is, and they learn values. They learn so many things. So from there, hapo ndio sasa tunafika kwa teenagehood. What did we say? If anyone lacks any of this stage, kuna kitendo fixation. Fixation is what actually when we are dealing in where I come from, or rather from where I sit. Most of the issues tunadili nazo mpaka kwa marriage. Nimekwambia na master in marriage and family therapy. Unapata stories za marriage. Watu wengi wanasumbuliwa maana you lost a chance fulani. You lost to attach with a parent. Na tulisema si lazima mtu akue ameenda ama amekufa, no. Inaweza kuwa you can be present there in the house every day but umekosa connection na mtoto. Unaweza kuwa maybe you are a single mother because of many things that happens, because things are happening, many of things. And you feel your son needs the same sex parent. Get a guardian, get a friend, get an uncle, get someone that you know that can mentor this son. It is okay, you can say, ngoja nikuintroduce kwa huyu. At some point, let them be going out. Wanaenda, wanaongea issues of life, because at some point you don't want to, and I need in future. So that is where we are at.
No, she definitely has done very well. Kwa hii stages zote za mtoto, the reason why we are talking about the developmental stages, ndio sisi wazazi tuelewe kuwa tunahitaji kutembea na watoto wetu kwa kila stage. Na kama haujaelewa stage, kuna vitu utaona na utashangaa. Ama you will not be able to support your child the way you should. Because we are looking at raising responsible adults. Many of us are having our own challenges because something was missed as we were growing up. She mentioned that we work for PACA, Parenting and Childcare Academy. And when we were thinking about it, we are more geared into children and teenagers. But we realized we work with the teenagers without the parents. Because the parents are the biggest players as far as the child is growing up. Tunamuita a primary care giver. Kuna wengi wanakuja. Mwalimu anakuja, pastor anakuja, mwalimu wa Sunday school anakuja, even the society inakuja. But the key person as far as the child growing up is the parent. So we want what stages are the children going through? And we also look at ourselves and see which stage did we probably was not able to negotiate well. So that is causing us kind of a person we are today. So relationships, our colleagues, our spouses, people that we interact with every day, even of the other person, because of the in them. How do you respond to other relationships? A lot of times it's based on how are we able to negotiate through life. Yes. So it is very key, very important, all understand how a child grows up. That way we are able to understand ourselves better, and we are also able to understand the children better. So this is for parents, it is also for children, so that they also understand why is it that I feel I have a bigger relationship with my father and not my mother. So that they understand that is part of what they should go through as they are growing up.
Amazing. And Rose, we were discussing about now today we're going to narrow down to teens, yeah?
Yes.
Son and teens.
Yes.
And daktari, is this psychological? No, tatu, gold tatu. Is that part of, is that psychology?
Yeah, this is part of psychology, because ukiniona hivi sasa hata unaniogopa.
Nakuogopa.
You see
That's
this
good,
really
that's
serious
Na
attached.
kuna ndogo kubwa tena kama zina nini.
Zimepaka rangi.
Interesting.
I will explain next time when we come.
Explain, you know. Yes, tell us. Yes, we're talking about teens.
Yes.
Tell us, who are teens?
Teens is anyone with a net one in I want to put in a layman's language. Is a person who is not a child or a grown up. I don't want to explain in a whole statement, but I want ukiona mtu sio mtoto na si mtu mzima. It is a transitional stage. That's what I call a transitional stage. Ya mtu mwenye mkiangaliana wengine ni warefu kuliko wazazi wao. So huyo mtu you can easily confuse. But the reality is mind yake bado ni mtoto. And that is the best way to explain that. Yeye anafikiria yeye ako top. You know what teen says ako top. Actually anaonanga wewe haufikirisa. Actually teenagers yes, teenagers wanakuangalia wanasema au mzai.
Do you think we understand your stress, we understanding our teens? Ama there is a gap?
Definitely not. Naweza sema wakati teenagers wanatuongelesha. And I'm sure parents will attest to this. Every time they say, "Mom, we don't understand." I have a 13-year-old, and she keeps sending me a lot of messages on my phone. Right now they have phones because they are working online. And every day she says, "Mom, this is what I go through every day, and you don't understand." So the truth of the matter is, we don't understand. But many parents will ask, how comes we don't understand? And we were teenagers one day. And the truth of the matter is, one day we were teenagers, 13 years, and I'm sure we also told our parents they don't understand. But one of the things that we need to understand is that the times when we were teenagers have changed. Ule wakati na huu wakati umebadilika kabisa. The last time I was here, I talked about the experiences we had growing up in the village. Not all of us who grew up in the village. Kuna wengine they grew up here in the city. But there's still a difference of what was then there and what is there today. I was talking to some teenagers the other day, and they said, what we watch on social media is nothing compared to what you know. And you know, the other day I had a meeting with my nieces and my nephews in my house. And I began to ask them to tell me some of the songs that they know. And I am telling you the things they mentioned to me, including my 7-year-old boy. I have never heard those songs. Sijaisikia hizo nyimbo. The experiences they are telling me they have had, I have never had. I've never even imagined they have had that kind of an experience. So what are we saying? That parents, the truth of the matter is, we do not understand what our teenagers are going through. So it is important for us to come down to their level and understand their world.
And Rose,
That way, we'll be able to work together.
Rose, how do you come down to their level so that at least for your communication?
I know that brings a lot of issue, especially with the parents you have now. They're like, mimi. So, nikuje chini. But I'll tell you one thing. As a parent, throughout this process, imagine from a 0, or rather from 9 months in the womb, 1, 2, up to 13, 14 years, to 18, what you go through, kulala kama umeshika mtoto, bana kanalia, kupeleka chanjo tena, joto, whatever you go through, the struggles, and the future of this child, it is worth sacrificing. Inamaanisha, it doesn't mean now your child ama your teenager ndiye anafaa kusema. Inamaanisha, just understanding, because now we said the first show we had, tulisema those are parents that are now mostly they are above 40, within 40 plus or minus, hapo, kwenye wako wazazi wa teenagers. So, just understand that I am a parent of these children, and the life of these children, including who they will become, lies on my hand. I have a choice to make, to walk with this like you calm down. Calming down means at times you sit with them. One of these days we'll have a pure parenting maybe topic. It's about parenting teenagers. What should a parent know? Do and don'ts. Right now we may not be able to handle because it's about the stages. But as a parent coming down, like, I want to know you. I want to work with you. At times she will come and start crying if it's a girl or a boy. Boy will not cry. Boy atakuangalia anza kukuzum tu aseme ni buda staki mambo yako. But at times you may need to have even walks with them. Just have a walk around. How is life? Mom, you see, I feel so depressed. You know, right now, people think these children are not going through issues. Can you imagine a teenager who is not in school and really wanted to finish school? I'm imagining someone who's supposed to sit for an exam can't sit for these exams just because of COVID. What do you think these people are going through? It's a real stressor. What am I saying? Just listen to them. My son, my daughter, how is life? Just create some time. Try to understand what they are going through. Akianza kulia cha kusema huyu ni utoto wako nayo. Si utoto. By the way, you are there. No, hata wewe ulikuwa unalialia tu hivyo tu. You know? When they tell you my body, you know, one of the stages I know we are already in the discussion. Imagine all of a sudden, kasichana kalikuwa tu hivi tu. Then all of a sudden kana realize hips zimeanza kutoka. All of a sudden moods zimeingia. As in, it is really something that is happening in them. They don't even understand what is happening. All of a sudden, ameanza kuona to boys, ameanza to feel boys are nice people to relate with. Akona sexual urges, but then anaambiangwa, it is bad to do this. How do I negotiate as a teenager? Now ni mtoto mwenye umelea tu juzi. So then, when you realize akona in confusion, nawe as a parent unaangusha zile za midlife crisis, unaanza kumwangushia. It is really bad. It means sacrificing even higher. That's why we are here. Muremi, we work with the teenagers at times because there are things maybe as a parent you may not be able to understand. We talk, but we encourage parents, have a communication. Naambia mama leo nasikia tu vibaya tu. Nini mbaya? Namwambia don't worry. What is happening in your body is unamuexplainia, but don't you will be well soon. But the decision you make will determine who you become.
Is that negative 40 or plus 40?
Sorry?
Anyway, I have that parents to teens are negative or 40. Are you negative?
All ladies are
Look at
23.
that camera.
I told you I'm 16 until I die. So that is a disclaimer. But let me just add something to what she was saying. Remember, we are talking about the developmental stages.
Yes.
So it is very important we are able to capture
Yes.
the stages that child is going through, so that we are able to understand them. Number one, and I know many of us know, kwa sababu sasa tumesoma, tulienda shule, we know the changes that happens to that child. She was 11 years, and she could still wear the clothes she was wearing at age 9 and 12 years. But the moment they hit 12, 13, 14, there is such an increase in their physical growth. So, huyu mtoto ako form 1, ako class 8, akifungua shule, alikuwa anavaa hii nguo. Akifunga, hawezi iva. So already there is a strain in terms of nguo zenye wako nazo. And the parent feels like, I bought this trouser for you last month. Hii trouser nimeinunua, hii kiatu nimeinunua 2 weeks ago, or a month ago, or 3 months ago. So there is a strain both for the child and for the mother. And you know, they are also in a stage where they are very selective on what they wear. So mama alinunua kiatu fulani, akasema staki hiyo. Alinunua trouser fulani, akasema staki hiyo. Unataka gani hii? Probably a bit expensive. But within no time, that dress or that trouser or that top haikuwa inatosha ile mtoto. So already that is a strain enough for the child. There's a lot of changes in their mind. Psychologically, there are a lot of changes. She had just mentioned that there is now this attraction to the opposite sex, something that child was not understanding. The first time we had this series, we were talking about role confusion in this age. So the child is wondering, what is my role in this? You know? The child is wondering, what am I supposed to do? Ikifika hapa. For the parent, there is also confusion. Because this child, all of a sudden, we are the same height. This child, all of a sudden, they have broken their voice. So sometimes he talks and you're wondering, is it my husband or is it my son? You know? This girl, sasa hata ukimwangalia physically, munatoshana. So in your mind you tend to think, I now have another. Ukisikia wamama wakisema, ama wababa wakisema, I am a mother of young adults. Mimi niko na wanawake na wanaume kwa nyumba. Referring to the children. So because of the physical increment, we tend to think we are dealing with other adults. So we don't actually give instructions the way we would give to the small children. We now expect that they are of age and they are supposed to do what they need to do. But unfortunately, and she mentioned very well, this is a child. So we need to help them grow. And we need to be very careful as they grow. We need to help them grow because they are still children and they are going through the stages. She has also mentioned that at that point, most of the parents are going through a crisis, a midlife crisis. Most of the parents at that time, they are about 40, 38, 39. And as we've been talking about parenting, because we'll do about it, we will talk at parents in different stages of their life. Because in their 30s, they are going through a roller coaster. There's a lot of changes in their career. At 40, they are beginning to settle down, but they're also feeling that they things they needed to have done before they were 40. And there are a lot of changes in their lives. So the next time when we are doing parenting, we will now talk about parents at different stages of their life. What it means for a parent when they are still very young, because we have parents who are teenagers, unfortunately, and we have seen it happening right now. We see parents in their 20s, we see parents in their 30s, their 40s, and even their 50s. Because there are also parents who begin parenting when they are a little advanced in age. So when we talk about parenting, we will now deal with what is happening to that woman, what is happening to that man at that particular time when they are raising that child. But allow us to specifically deal with the child today, so that we as parents see ourselves as children, and then the children also see themselves in the stage at which they are at, and how they can help, they can be able to negotiate through that stage of life. Yeah.
Thank you. Well, tuko live. Tupigie Precious hivi later. Tuko live. Anyway, hadi wakanda Precious. Waambie what we are discussing now. Then waambie after this break. Tutakuja kudiscuss. Then waambie Mr. Waroe.
Mr. Waroe, please give us a break. But parents, please let's keep a very keen interest on this, because right now everyone is on our case. The church is on our case, the government is on our case, and everyone is on our case saying we have let down our children. The teachers the other day were complaining that we have only given you the children for 3 months and there's a lot of mess happening. We do not want to blame ourselves, but we need to learn so that we can know how do we parent these teenagers. So stay there, do not go away, we'll be back shortly. Thank you.
And today we're discussing about understanding teens, but understand developmental stages. But today we are dealing with teens. Amefika 13. What next? This time anajua more even than parents. Anataka space. Some mpaka wanataka room yao. Then sometimes unajua unaona wamefika. Mpaka wanaanza kuangalia parents hivi. Unaona they know more. Unaona kwanza sasa wanasema my mom ni fala. Mimi I know more. Tell us.
Now that is the language we
Yes.
speak as parents, and that's why we are speaking like that. Teenager akikusikiza ukisema ati wanaonanga wamefika wanakaji. Lakini hiyo ni language yetu kama wazazi. Unafikiria sasa umekuwa mtu mzima sana. Sasa wewe ndio utakuwa unasema kwa hii nyumba. Nilisema mfanye hii na hukufanya. And that's how parents.
But ni ukweli unajua wanaonanga wamefika.
Kweli, kwa sababu sisi ni wazazi. Ndio maana tunaongea.
Tunaona sasa hivyo. Kwa hiyo unaona sasa ameanza kufika
mimi ni mtetezi wa teenagers. So I am always on their side.
Okay.
Yes, but let me explain a little bit about what this child is going through.
Yes.
And sometimes I want to use a child so that we realize we are dealing with children who are going through transition. They are coming from childhood.
Yes.
They are going to adulthood. So allow me to speak and call them children, because even according to the law of Kenya,
yes.
when you become an adult,
yes.
at 18 years, the other day I learned from a psychologist, no, a psychiatrist, actually he was a medical doctor, I'm sure that was running, that this child is fully mature in their mind in terms of making decisions at 23 years old. So we are dealing actually with children when it comes to the mind. So in psychology, we are going through a stage called role confusion versus identity. Now let me explain that. When you talk about role confusion versus identity. So when we talk about role confusion,
yes,
this child, I said, they are going through a transition stage. So they actually don't know their role in the society. They do not know their role in the home. They do not know their role in whatever they are doing. Because they are confused themselves. We parents are confused. Because today you refer them to them as a child. Tomorrow you look at them in their terms of their physical development and you think they are an adult.
yes.
So there is a lot of confusion. There is also an identity issue.
Yes.
Parents, you will agree with me that even though you had a talkative child,
yes.
a child that was outgoing, a child that was not, you were interacting very well with, all of a sudden that child goes quiet. Their language becomes monosyllabic.
Yes.
You ask them, how was your day? Good.
Mono what?
It's a monosyllable. You know?
Meaning?
Meaning,
Like
their answers are very short and precise.
Okay.
Okay? So you ask them,
yes.
how was your day? Good.
Good.
How was school? Okay. That's how
True.
That's
true.
how they
Yes.
respond. Unataka aje? Hakuna. You know? Na wazazi wanashindwa. This child all of a sudden was all over me. They used to love my company. All of a sudden they were withdrawn. Wazazi wengi wanasema tunaishi kwa nyumba moja lakini hatupatani. Nikiingia kwa nyumba jamaa ako kwa bedroom. Nikienda kulala ndio namsikia kitchen.
Yes.
Akichukua chakula. They eat from their bedroom. And it's very unfortunate because when they are in these solitary places, wakati wako huku wamejificha, that's when they are getting in a lot of things. You know?
Yes.
And that's how they are getting themselves even into the wrong groups.
Yes.
Because we don't know what is happening. But this child is going through an identity crisis. The questions that run in their mind is, who am I? Where am I going? Where am I coming from? Who are these people we are with? And I mentioned here the last time I was here and we were talking about images, that most of the children who are not raised by one present parent, that is the time when they want to know, show me, who is my father?
Yes.
Show me, who is
That's
my
true.
mother?
That's true.
Where did we come from? I was talking to a little girl who has not been raised by her father. And the other day she was telling me, I have been telling mom to take me to where my father
And
comes
is it
from.
right? Because they also need to know. Is it right? Because and sometimes I know, especially women, wataka kuongea maneno.
Yes. You see, we are saying there are a lot of questions.
Yes.
Who am I?
Yes.
So there is a need to know who they are.
Yes.
So it is only fair that we answer those questions as
Okay.
parents. Because if you don't answer those questions as
Yes.
parents,
Yes.
somebody will for sure answer that question. Somebody will for sure answer that question.
Amen.
Yes. So it is very important that we understand.
Yes.
And that is why we are talking about what are they going through. I told you the other day that
Hebu kwanza amplify. You know, that's a very important point.
yes.
You know, I know even cases where ikifika hapo, women don't want to talk about, wanaambia nyamaza, you're not supposed to ask me that.
Yes.
Yes.
It is hiyo si shida yako.
Hiyo si shida yako.
Unakosa kwa hii nyumba.
Yes. And some watakanya naye alikanyagwa na lori
Na lori.
alikufa.
Yes.
Umalize your story.
I know.
I know.
It's very unfortunate.
Yes.
because this child has many questions they are asking.
Yes.
Tunaenda wapi? Tunaenda na nani?
Yes.
And so parents, when we don't answer that question,
Mhm.
this person, this child will get somebody to answer that question.
Yes.
And that is how we find a lot of teenagers, a lot of young adults getting themselves into crimes. They get themselves into drugs because these people are answering these questions. They're asking them, so who am I? And then somebody comes and answers and tells them, you are a member of
This
Gaza.
gang.
And in this Gaza, we can accommodate you. In this Gaza, we can listen to you.
Yes.
Remember, the parents are very busy. Most of us parents, we are 40, 41,
Hold
42.
that thought. Hold that thought.
We are
Hapo
beginning
tu.
to understand our
Just
career.
hold there.
Yes.
My friend, this is a time as a parent, ikifika your age, talk to your son, talk to your daughter. If you don't, someone else will take and will most probably at our mislead.
Yes.
Let's go for a short break. Be right back after this song. Yes, today we are discussing about understanding teens. Rose, tumefika wapi?
If you don't as a parent, kama hautajibu
Yes.
mtoto wako, atatafuta jibu na mtu mwingine atamjibu.
Yes.
Just to add on venye mwenzangu amesema, tunaongeaga sana na teenagers.
Yes.
Now we've had a privilege of visiting some of them even in prison. Wako juvenile, wengine wako other places. Now at times unaangalia mtoto wa 18 years.
Yes.
Ako hapo unamuuliza wanachukulia ngo because like what she said, they are still minor. They can be jailed. Hata wakiua they can be jailed at that point. But wanaletangwa hivyo tuwaongeleshe, then they go back to their normal senses, wa deal with their issues, then they are released back to the society. But it's very unfortunate because
But wanajeliwa mpaka siku hizi.
Squeezing.
Yes.
Oh, that time.
You are 10, you rape, you go to Sindo. I have seen cases.
Because the people that we there's a place they kept. They are kept alone. The teenagers. Yeah, minors. There's a place. But in case they reform,
Yes,
there's a way. They are connected back to the society. But hiyo inaitangwa ni kutengeneza. Actually, wanasema it's
correction.
It's a correction center. So they don't go through what other people go through. Because they understand. The serikali inajua vizuri hawa bado ni watoto. And just to bring up to speed, I want to relate all these stages because it is about we are working together in this journey of understanding children. Most of these people, the way wana behave, unaona tulisema they believe they are all grown, they believe they are mature, they believe actually wewe mzazi unafaa kukaa chini tukwambie venye maisha ipo. So what happens to them is whatever they have been going through wakilelewa, at this point ndio inaingiaga to the reality. And that is why unapata watu wengi like whatever I was telling you, most of the time tukiongea na unauliza how did you find yourself in drug? How did you find yourself in this? Wengine nakwambia nilienda nikapatana mabeste, ni kwetu hakukuwa na peace, nikakunywa tu puff 2-3 nikaanza kufeel poa. You know, they are trying, someone is trying to answer a question about life. Kwa nini kwetu saa zote parents are fighting? So mtu anakuambia achana nao ni wazai, wewe kuja hapa kuna life. So anajaribu kukuwa happy because she's never been happy. You know what am I trying to say? Amepata watu wa kumjibu maana wewe mzazi uliblock. Kindly, nowadays there are so many issues are coming and you find yourself you are single parenting. At this point let them know in life we never agreed with your father or your mother, na ukajipata ni mimi ninakulea. However, your dad is so and so, but then with the time you meet him or your mother is so and so, meet and you have a time as a father.
And Freshia, you say explaining about sometimes penye saa zingine wanauliza maswali mob. And if you don't answer, someone else will do that.
Definitely.
Yeah? And now if maybe you're talking to a teen out there, if my mom is not listening to me, what should I do as a teen?
Now it is very important because we will say that most of us parents are not trained. Remember, parenting is one of the certificates that we all receive without
Yes.
prior training. Yes, we are happy that you are a parent. Congratulations. We hand you over a certificate.
Without training.
No prior training. So the truth of the matter is, as parents, and I want to apologize on behalf of parents, is that we do not have prior training, and so we do not know what it takes to raise you
Yes.
as a child. So allow me to talk to the teenagers.
Yes.
Wacha niwaambie hivi, kuwa sisi wazazi
Yes.
tunafanya makosa na tunafanya makosa mengi, na ndiposa naomba tusamehe.
Yes.
Two things. If your parent is not well equipped,
Yes.
rather hakuelewi na umejaribu umeshindwa,
Yes.
tafuta mtu mwingine anakaa mzazi wako
Yes.
na wako. You can identify with a pastor, you can identify with a teacher, you can identify with somebody else, probably at the age of your parent that you can work with.
Yes.
Uncles, aunties, but unfortunately,
Yes.
these are the same people who sometimes are abusing our own children. So it is very important for us teenagers to listen to this so that you are able to see who am I going to identify
Yes.
to work with me. So what do you look out for as a teenager?
Yes.
So that you're sure that the person I'm going to is good enough for me. So number one, look at the way he has raised his children. Look at the children he has or she has.
Yes.
Sorry. So that you can tell what kind of a person this is.
Yes.
You could also identify with a religious leader. I know religious leaders also have their issues, but somehow because of the office they carry, they are likely to mentor you the right way. Identify with a teacher. We are also saying that they are not 100%, but again, because of the office they carry and the values they carry and the training they have been given prior, they are likely to identify with you.
Yes.
And more so, identify with God. Because it is only God who
Yes.
can give you the right direction.
Amen.
What I am saying to teenagers is that you are not too small to relate with God. You are able to identify with Him.
Amen.
Yeah.
Ona Rosa akiinua mkono.
Yes, and to add on that is,
Yes.
as a teenager, get to understand your parent, your mom, your dad is going through
Yes.
lot of issues. Anatafuta food. Some are actually not working.
Daktari ulinifunza kufanya hivi. Uliniambia corona tunafanyanga hivi. Okay.
So what I'm saying is, ukiwa a teenager,
Yes.
try to fit in the shoe of your parents. Food ni shida. You may not understand, but try to imagine what is happening.
Yes.
Alilipa school fees. By the time alibuy, especially some of the people unaingia form 1, alinunua all these things. Kufika after 2 months you are home.
Yes.
Uko nyumbani na sahi ana process venye atanunua uniform zingine. Niliona sasa wazazi wanajipanga kununua uniform zingine fresh. Even if he had bought.
Yes.
That is apparent. Food, issues.
Yes.
Na yeye mwenyewe tu kwa crisis zake. Try to understand. It is true. They may not understand. But
Yes.
try to understand them and get to know, by the way, tomorrow you'll be there.
Yes.
The Bible says as well,
Yes.
we are children. Obey your parents.
Yes.
And you can pray for them. We believe, as Parker, by the way, we believe in one thing. God is ultimate helper. We are here to walk you
So
through.
incorporate psychology and
Yes.
Spirituality.
That is amazing.
And towards Christianity, because that is what we embrace. What we're trying to say, God is the ultimate helper. Because you can try to, by the way, I have seen so many parents that have been encouraged by their children. I have one person who told me, mtoto wangu nilimwangalia, they had gone through a divorce with with the husband, akajua na kijana wa 8 years.
Yes.
Aliwalk na kijana akawalk, akafika around 17. Akamuta akamwambia, my son, I feel you're lacking a man in your life. Na unajua tuliachana na baba yako. Na baba yako ni so and so, lakini for now ako na familia nyingine, alisema hataki mharibie. However, one day najua mtakuja kummeet. Can I get someone wa father figure? The son alimwambia, you play these roles too well that I don't feel like nina miss anything. You answer all my questions. That lady was so encouraged, and I can tell you they are doing very well. What am I saying? It doesn't mean that wewe huwezi kuchukua role, you can. But what I'm saying is, as a child, be an encourager to your. And on the other hand, you try kukumbuka one thing. You are responsible. The mother can do as a parent, unaweza fanya kila kitu, but you are responsible over your own behavior. Consequences ni zako. If you want to go out, do this and this, become a young parent, by the end of the day, your mom and your dad atafeel vibaya, but by the end of the day, you become a mother at the age of 16.
And Rose, before we finish the show, I want you to address the parents. How should they address the teens? Our teens, you're 13 years old, yeah? Kumexplainia next year wanarudia. Yeah? Hakuna kuendelea. Because I know we have this a conversation. Because to assume to they are okay. Talk to parents and also talk. Let's start with you. Ongea na teens. Oh, understand this situation. Is a pandemic, and you know sometimes we assume they are okay, but wengine wako na stress. Mwingine alikuwa ameplan mpaka alikuwa na plan yake. Alikuwa na strategy 3 years, 2 years and all that.
Murimi, allow me to just make one correction.
Yes.
Very clearly to children,
yes.
teenagers. They are not repeating the class. Haturudi class 8.
Yes.
Haturudi class 7.
Yes.
We are picking up from where we stopped.
Okay.
So that not any child feel they are repeating a class.
Yes. They are picking.
Because we were in school until February. So we basically did
Go
not
and
learn
pick.
this year. We have been at home. So watoto tafadhali tusikie
We are
kama
picking.
tumerudia class. We're just picking up from where we stopped
Yes.
in February. And because it was just 2 months, we are now picking up. So none of us is repeating.
Yes.
We are only saying because we were hit by a pandemic, everything stopped. Kama ni biashara ilifungwa, wakati tunaenda kufungua, we are picking up from where we stopped. So please, you are not repeating the class, you're just picking up.
You're just picking up.
Yes.
Where we
It
left.
is very clear that we say that, so that nobody feels like I repeated class
Narudi
8.
nyuma.
I repeated class
But you know
8.
they have lost 1 year. Wamepotea waja lose.
They have lost 1 year. We have lost as a nation. It is not the children who have lost.
And internationally as well.
Everybody in the nation had lost. Okay? There is a mother who had planned to give birth this year.
Yes.
But they postponed because of the pandemic.
Yes.
So we have all lost. So please do not feel like it's a
Not
loss.
give birth.
Understand that we are
Conceive.
going through a situation, and so things stopped.
Yes.
And so we are going to pick up from where we stopped.
Okay.
So young adults, teenagers, do not lose hope. I have always said in this show
Yes.
that the greatest 3 things that we should not forget:
Hope
faith,
and love.
and love.
And love is the
greatest
greatest.
of them all is
Love.
love.
Amen.
Wow.
Now, talk to parents and ukumbuke. Just talk to parents. Talk to parents.
I want to talk to parents and tell them this. We are talking about teenagers here
Yes.
because it's about teens today. But kama wazazi, mambo yenye tumepitia ni mob. I always say it is good to have a room for uncertainties in life. This is now basic. In life, have a room for uncertainties. Because kuna mtu alikuwa ameniambia, sasa mimi niko 45 years. Nilikuwa napanga nimalize shule, niende campus, nijenge nyumba ya mwaka ya kwanza, ninunue gari mwaka ya pili, ya tatu ninunue wife to be gari, nioe. No, unaona venye alikuwa amepanga vizuri. But this never happened. When we were in primary school, all of us wanted to become either engineers, doctors, you know. Yes. Nilikuwa na plan kwa.
Mimi I wanted to be, nilikuwa naona hizi movies za kina Rambo. I wanted to be an actor.
Thank you. That's That's a perfect example. But things happen.
Yes.
Wouldn't it
Yeah.
happen? What am I trying to say? Have a room for uncertainties. And because we as parents to fix between all what is happening, pressure imelai square kwetu. Because wako home. Wakiwa home by the way hawalali. Food. Mtu aliniambia mimi nanunuanga siku hizi michele na gunia.
Yes, I know.
Because kukula anytime ni kukula unaingia kwa nyumba unaona mtoto amerefuka nguo zote sasa zimeanza kufika huku juu. What am I trying to say? Accept how things are.
Yes.
That is one of the things in our therapy we do.
Yes.
Accept that 2020 biashara iko chini, you have been sacked, we have this and this, watoto wako home, na by the way, accept that 2021 January, tutakuwa kwa shop tena tukiba uniform mpya na everything.
Yes.
Because once you accept, you become now yourself, you are ready to start strategizing.
Yes.
And above it all, let's believe in one thing, that like what she said, we are just to mark time, because life is the most important thing.
Yes.
For real, doesn't make sense to go there. I've seen parents coming out and bashing, yes, akasema hajui kwa nini watoto wasiende home. I'd rather have my child at home, but whole, than having a dead child, just because I wanted him or her to achieve. It is God who has our plan. Our plan.
And just before you finalize, talk to parents, because kuna parents wenye they invested heavily because waka move online. Because private private schools. Tuliambiwa shule zirudi kasema now, but because we have to invest tukasema wacha online. Then more education tunaambiwa even if you are in private, no matter the curriculum that you are using, we are going to pick security. You are going to pick. They feel you know.
I want to congratulate
they
that
have.
parent. I want to congratulate
I love that positivity.
Paid for their child to study online.
Yes.
Because I will tell you one thing, that every shilling you have invested in your child, it is not in vain. Kama yule mtoto alisoma hesabu, yule mtoto amejua. They have grown.
Yes.
So do not feel like you wasted money. Do not feel like you wasted time.
Yes.
It was very good of you. Because that tells me that what is on top of your mind is your child. And this is what we are advocating. So parent, congratulations if you paid for your child to learn online. Please keep paying if you have the resources.
Amen.
Because that child is rather busy learning something online than idle, being idle. Because idle mind is the workshop of the devil. Okay? So please, let's not stop paying for it.
Yes.
If you can keep your child busy now, doing something good, please let them do it. Okay? Children, if you learned online, do not feel like you wasted time. It was good that you learned something. And before we go, let me say something.
Yes.
Some of us finished Form 4 at 18 years, others at 17 years, others at 16 years, and others at 20, 25.
Yes.
But today, Muremi, nobody cares when you finish school. And you don't know what age I finished.
Yes.
What you are likely to see, that at 40, I have achieved this. At 40, you have not achieved this. Yes, probably you finished school before me. So, as I finished, I said I am also a preacher. The Bible says, the race is not to the swift, but time and chance happens to them all. So your time and your chance will happen to you.
Ana kofia mingi huyu. Yes. Preacher, daktari, psychologist. Amen. Unaona gold all over. Gold. Anyway, interesting. I want to remind you the products of Park University. They say Park University is where leaders are made. I'm also a product of Park University. So you can see what Park offers, products of Park University. So if you're planning to do psychology, she's doing MAFT, marriage, and in family therapy. You want to do leadership, I did leadership in masters. If you want to do PhD in leadership, or again in marriage and family therapy. If you want to do business, if you want to do IT, if you want to do communication or to a media, kama waro, in fact, even our producer behind there is a product of Park University. So, my friend, visit Park University website, angalia pale, and you'll see something that you can do. And they are fully online. And I salute Professor Muthui and the who is the Vice Chancellor, and Professor Kiambi, who is the Deputy Vice Chancellor. Park is the place to be. Tukimalizia in 1 minute, your parting shot. Time yetu imeisha.
Parting shot. Thank you very much. We have done the series of developmental stages of a child, because post-teenager, now we are talking about adults.
Yes.
And that is where we are now going to talk about parenting.
Yes.
So we are happy that you have been working with us. Please, teenager, do not sit there wondering how you're going to make it in life. Please reach out to us. My number is 0720 75 26 45. That is our heartbeat, working with teenagers. Please reach out to us. Do not languish there in pain. Talk to us. We'll be willing to work with you.
I love that. That's your heartbeat.
That's my heartbeat.
What's your heartbeat as well?
Oh, parenting, parenting.
Yes.
She's an advocate for teenagers,
and
for parents. We are blamed. We are blamed by the society. My number is 0720 711 609. What we are saying is, as a parent,
Yes.
you feel stuck, you don't know what to do.
Yes.
At times you feel like you want to talk to someone, just call that number. Let's work together as a parent. And let me tell you, hakuna mahali life inaenda. Mutamaliza tu. Someone posted akanifurahisha sana. Utamaliza tu. Some people repeated thrice in primary school, not because you are not performing. Ngoja tu nirudie nipate tu 450. You know, mutamaliza tu. Yes, you're not competing against anyone. Don't compete against anyone. God bless you all. Just reach out to us. Let's talk.
Awesome. And I like the way you are mko package. You're dealing with parents, you're dealing with watoto na teenagers, yeah?
Yes.
So it's a complete package.
And family,
I
na
love
bwana
that.
yake, na
Family and
bibi
therapy
yake.
and all. And also you said family is affected also with people around.
Yes.
Friends,
Yes.
extended family, you know, and all that.
We call them systems. Those are
Systems.
subsystems.
Subsystems.
Yes.
I'm learning, I'm taking notes. Nashukuru sana from 7 to 8 kuwa pale, and we thank you. And every Saturday tuko na watu wa paka, wanajitanga paka ya watu wa paka. So nataka kuwakumbusha again na provide another opportunity to serve. If you visit my Facebook page, that is Joseph Moreni, or maybe my organization Facebook page, that is Save a Life, I provide another opportunity for you to serve, because we say service to humanity is service to God. Join me as a minister to street families, and let's do this together. Thank you for watching, and have a good day. Blessings.